Hey guys, today we are going to try and achieve this look on my face right now using this palette. This palette. This is the Marie Dalgar palette, eyeshadow palette. I can open it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so there are 10 shades in this palette as I have just counted. This palette costs $58 fucking dollars. Yep. But if you count by per eyeshadow, like per pan divided by 10 is $5.80 per shadow. I think that's pretty reasonable, right? If you wanna like console yourself this way like I do. There are also no matte shades in this palette, so for those who prefer a matte shade, too bad for you. Go find another matte shade. This is a glitter palette. It's a holographic palette, that's why it's all glitter, I guess. The official name of this palette is called It's Holo Eyeshadow Palette. So everything here is sparkly, no mattes. Okay, enough of blabbering on, I guess. Let's get right into the tutorial. We're gonna put some primer on my lids. Primer on this side of the lids. Okay, put all the primer on your goddamn lids. Sort of want the look to be a pink based look, so I'm gonna take this, which is like my favorite color from this damn palette, which is this Flamingos, and I'm gonna just like put it all over my lids. Just like very lightly. The palette itself, the Marie Dalgar palette itself, Marie Dalgar, okay, just gonna call it that itself. The shadows are actually really sheer, so we're just gonna like, you know, have some kind of sort of like a base color, so there is color on the other side as well, just with a fluffy brush, and we're gonna blend that out. So just gonna like blend it out everywhere. Yeah, that will be about it. And then I am going to use the brush that is provided. I really hate dual-ended brushes, but it's just not here anyway, so we're gonna use it. Gonna take this flat little side and dipping into the purple, so we will have like a purple base on top of the pink one. So it's gonna be like a pink purple look. Okay, then we're just gonna put it all over. I am just gonna put it all over my lids, and it's just gonna go all over my lids. Oh yo, this brush is like too tiny. Okay, never mind, we'll just do it slowly. Okay, forget it, I don't want to use this brush. Okay, we're gonna use this brush that I have. It's the same one but bigger, but we're just gonna use this, and it's gonna go all over my lids. Okay, yeah, 卖了時間了。To soften the edges, we're just going in with the blending brush and just blending the outside. I actually like this red color, this red right here, so I'm gonna use it and put it on the other corners of my lids, just because I feel like it. And I'm just going in with the same fluffy blending brush and picking up that red and just going in with it like ever so slightly. Okay, so and then we're going in, of course, back to the same purple shade and putting that on the lower lash line. Then we're gonna put the same red using the same brush just on the outer corners. And then we'll go in with this white. Okay, we're going with the white on the inner corners, like the super inner corners. so you look like a little princess, you know. Okay, so I guess that is all. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.